good, y'all? Well, on my update video, I said that he was either gonna secondhand him some exhaust or send it to the exhaust shop. Well, we secondhand some. So, yeah, you see that they are cut. The other one is there. So I'm gonna see if they're gonna fit under here, or we're gonna have to add some pipe in somewhere, but we are doing turn downs on it, so we got enough on the back end right here to get them to cut off and turn them down on the back side. So second hand them, you know, I try to keep it in-house best as I can. So we'll haul the freight, Chicago, Welding, collectors, welded on. Gotta do the passenger side, and that's it. I put them in. Driver side, collector just got welded on. They second hand, but they do fit, so just had to cut them up, shorten them down, but they are on. Let's get this side in, then on to the passenger.